Hi, welcome back to our channel, Vocab List 12. In this session, you will learn 25 advanced vocabulary words tested in GRE, SAT, ACT, IELTS, CAT, CLAT, AILETS, LSAT, etc. 1. Gainsay. Meanings: deny or contradict. Speak against. Dispute. Usage: no one dared to gainsay his pronouncements. 2. Gamble. Meanings: run or jump about playfully. Frolic. Cavort. Usage: the lambs gambled in the meadow. 3. Garner. Meanings: gather or collect. Accumulate. Amass. Usage: the detective garnered evidence from the crime scene. 4. Garrulous. Meanings: excessively talkative. Loquacious. Verbose. 5. Gauche. Meanings: lacking social grace. Awkward. Tactless. Usage: his gauche behavior embarrassed everyone at the party. 6. Genial. Meanings: friendly and cheerful. Cordial. Amiable. Usage: the genial host welcomed everyone with a warm smile. 7. Germane. Meanings: relevant to the subject at hand. Pertinent. Applicable. Usage: his comments were germane to the discussion. 8. Gestalt. Meanings: an organized whole that is perceived as more than the sum of its parts. Configuration. Pattern. Usage: the artist sought to create a unified gestalt in his paintings. 9. Glabrous. Meanings: smooth. Hairless. Bald. Usage: the glabrous surface of the stone felt cool to the touch. 10. Glib. Meanings: fluent and voluble but insincere or shallow. Smooth talking. Superficial. Usage: the glib salesman tried to convince me to buy a car I didn't need. 11. Gnomic. Meanings: expressing a general truth. Pithy. Aphoristic. Usage: the old sage spoke in gnomic utterances. 12. Grandiloquent. Meanings: pompous or extravagant in language. Bombastic. Pretentious. Usage: the grandiloquent speech was full of empty rhetoric. 13. Gregarious. Meanings: fond of company. Sociable. Outgoing. Usage: the gregarious student quickly made friends in his new school. 14. Hackneyed. Meanings: lacking significance through having been overused. Trite. Banal. Usage. The poem was full of hackneyed expressions and clichés. 15. Halcyon. Meanings. Characterized by peace and prosperity. Tranquil. Serene. Usage. The halcyon days of summer were filled with lazy afternoons by the lake. 16. Hallowed. Meanings. Regarded as holy. Sacred. Consecrated. Usage. The church was built on hallowed ground. 17. Hapless. Meanings. Unlucky. Unfortunate. Jinxed. Usage. The hapless traveler lost his wallet and missed his flight. 18. Harangue. Meanings. A lengthy and aggressive speech. Tirade. Diatribe. Usage. The politician delivered a harangue against his opponents. 19. Hardy. Meanings. Robust. Capable of enduring difficult conditions. Resilient. Usage. The hardy plants can survive in harsh climates. 20. Hedonism. Meanings. The pursuit of pleasure. Self-indulgence. Sensualism. Usage. His life was dedicated to hedonism and the pursuit of worldly pleasures. 21. Hegemony. Meanings. Leadership or dominance, especially by one country or social group. Supremacy. Authority. Usage. The country sought to establish its hegemony over the region. 22. Heretical. Meanings. Holding opinions at odds with what is generally accepted. Unorthodox. Dissenting. Usage. His heretical views were condemned by the church. 23. Hermetic. Meanings. Tightly sealed. Airtight. Impermeable. Usage. The laboratory was hermetic to prevent contamination. 24. Heterodox. Meanings. Not conforming to accepted or orthodox standards or beliefs. Unorthodox. Dissenting. Usage. His heterodox ideas challenged the status quo. 25. Histrionic. Meanings. Excessively dramatic or theatrical. Melodramatic. Affected. Usage. Her histrionic behavior annoyed everyone in the room.